How to unsuspend Twitter account. So first, go to your Twitter account, and then you can just click on the more icon here, or the more section here at the bottom, and then you just need to click on settings and privacy. Okay, now from here you just need to click on help center here. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to scroll down and look for about suspended accounts. Just click on this one, and then scroll down again and look for file and appeal. Click on this one. Okay, now once you're here, as you can see, I don't have an account that's suspended, so you won't see anything here. But once you're here, if your account is suspended, once you're here, you'll see 3 text boxes here. So they're going to need your Twitter username, your Twitter email, and then the description of the problem. So just tell them that your account is suspended and you need help, okay? And then you just need to click on submit and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.